What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my fam. And to all my returning subscribers, hello girl, hello guy. How are you guys doing? I am doing great. You see me in this mood, honey. I am for it. We got a beautiful spring day, but sis hair is looking jacked up. I need something done to my head like right now, and I'm just gonna go with like a quick little style. I'm not trying to do anything super fancy, but I wanna be cute, simple and cute. So I have been in love with the model off duty look that's been going around all on TikTok and, you know, social media. So I thought, why not do that? Because I love a snatch ponytail style. So I'm gonna go with something really quick and simple. And I also grabbed some braiding hair. This is just some plain braiding hair with the ends that's already fringed. So this is what my hair is looking like. Oh, my hair is dirty. It's time to wash, but I'm still hanging on. I had like a little silk press, but it's pretty much poofy at the top and my ends are still straight. I'm not ready to wash it yet. I want to get a couple more days because it's just still manageable. So I'm gonna go in with some oil. I'm using some olive oil. It's not what's in this bottle anymore. I just put in some regular virgin olive oil in it. And I'm just gonna place some oil in my hair. I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail, so it already has some product in it. I love like a middle part going back like that. So I'm gonna keep my middle part. So I'm just gonna go in and redefine my middle part. I always make this part longer than it needs to be because once I start creating that ponytail, it kind of disappears. So I feel like if I start off with it longer, I don't lose a lot of the part. And I'm just gonna place some olive oil right on that part because my hair is flaky. This is the Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer, and this is an extra mega. I love this stuff because it holds my hair good. It makes sure it stays in place. It's not too oily. It's not too waxy. It's just right at getting a nice hold. But it flakes on my hair bad. Not that it flakes. It gives like a white cast that I hate. I hate the white cast that I sometimes get with this. But I find out that when I mix it like with my Softee gel, I absolutely love Softee gel. Like I love this gel with or without the edge tamer. It works just as good. I don't have a problem with it flaking or anything, and it holds really good on my edges. But when I mix these two together, this combo is excellent, and it'll have my hair sleek, girl, sleek. You see how puffy this is right now? We're gonna get this hair nice and sleek. So I'm using my tangle teaser and just brushing my hair up. I'm not going for a true high ponytail, and I'm not going for a super low ponytail. It's just gonna be right in the center, like right here. I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and go ahead and place it on, just 2 ties. This just gives me more control of my hair. So I'm just gonna go in with my edge control. Now I'm going in with a bristle brush, and I'm just gonna smooth that out. See how sleek that started to get? Nice and sleek. I gotta remove this again. You may have to do it multiple times like I'm doing. And I'm placing it back on. Now I'm going in with my Softee gel, and I'm smoothing that all over. Just gonna go in and brush it. And look how sleek that is. Like, look at that. Now my ponytail is pretty much set in place. I'm gonna go in with 2 scrunchies. I always like to use 2. Look how nice and sleek that is, y'all. Sleek. This combo works every time. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now I'm just gonna braid my hair down right here. You can do this look without adding hair. You don't have to add hair if you feel like your hair is long enough. I feel like my hair is long enough too. But I just want, I'm gonna go in with another scrunchie and secure that. But I just want a little bit, you know, a little bit something more there. Because this is more of like a simple look. I'm not gonna do any crazy baby hairs or anything. I'm just gonna go in with some more of the edge control, just a little bit on my finger, and really place it on my edges because those are the less tameable areas. So I'm gonna go in with some more of the gel too as well. I'm going in with that Softee gel too. And I'm putting some more on my edges. And I like to do my edges with a comb. So I'm just gonna go in and just smooth. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just giving a little swoopity doop. Not much. All right, that's it. Now I'm just gonna take my scarf and I'm just gonna tie it down for a few minutes. That way it's all set in place while we get the little braiding hair together. So I have my braiding hair here and I just took it out the pack, but Spectra doesn't put like the rubber band on there. So I'm gonna go in and place my own little scrunchie on there. What you do is just take one end, have it like this, these 2 ends, and then you just place one under there, kind of hook it, and it's gonna make like a little knot, just like that. Now my hair is on there, super simple to do. And it's just a lot stronger than your ordinary rubber band too as well. And, ooh, nice and sleek. Just look, the hair is not going nowhere. Look at that. So I'm just gonna take my braided hair and place it on my little struggle ponytail. Have the hair like this, and I'm just gonna fold it over like this over my knot. So I flip the hair over, as you can see. I'm trying to cover all. So now that I got my shape, I'm gonna go ahead and pin this hair right here. And I'm taking a hairpin, guys. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that because I want it to flare out with that look that we've been seeing, like the model off-duty look. So I want it to flare out like that. Oh, that's so cute. Yes, I'm loving the shape of this. I'm just gonna go in and place some more hairpins right just at the base. All right, now that I got my bun nicely shaped, I'm just gonna fluff out this hair. I'm loving how that's looking right now. I was gonna add another, maybe I'll put one right here. Just adding a bobby pin right here to, you know, kind of, because I don't want it to stick straight up. I want it to kind of be flat, like down over the top of my head. So this is the complete look, guys. The off-duty model look, I am for it. It's so pretty, so cute, very quick, easy, and simple to do, and very affordable. Make sure you guys like this video. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what are some of your styles that you guys enjoy. Do you prefer my updos? Do you like crochet styles, braided styles? Comment down below. Let me know which styles do you guys enjoy. And also, if you have not hit that subscribe button, do so and turn your post notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.